wicked sharp every time you pick it up, and every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 replacement blades. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your replacement blades today with a $5 flat rate shipping on any sized order at WiebeKnives.com.
Yeah, my wife called. She said, send money and happy Valentine's Day. Oh, that was yesterday. And some people are of the opinion that it's a made-up holiday by Hallmark. I heard some guy at the tire store going off about that.
Oh, I think it's a scam.
Some lady went through there. She had a pickup truck stuffed with Valentine's baskets, and that guy said he wasn't buying any, amongst other things. That's when I learned there were more people than you that didn't believe in Valentine's Day.
If there's a holiday, it should be February 15th because all that candy goes on sale.
It's Matt's birthday today.
Is it?
Yeah.
He turned 30.
Yep. My youngest kid is 30 years old. Mark, how did that happen?
Well, you know, there's the egg and the sperm.
Yeah, I meant more like the passing of time.
Yeah, it is amazing.
We should probably go to work.
Yeah, let's go kill some beaver.
Let me close the house door.
Okay.
Wiebe Knives, voted one of Field & Stream's best hunting products. It's the last knife you'll ever need to buy to use in the outdoors. Every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 wicked sharp replacement blades, so you'll never be caught with a dull knife. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your Wiebe knife today with up to 24 free replacement blades at WiebeKnives.com.